cot theta minus cos theta by cot theta plus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta minus 1 by cosecant theta plus 1. Let us take LHS. LHS is cot theta minus cos theta by cot theta plus cos theta. Now cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta is called cot theta. So let us write cot theta as cos theta by sin theta. This one we write as it is minus cos theta by. Here cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta. Now here in this term cos is there, in this also cos is there. You can take cos theta common in numerator and denominator. So if you take cos theta common, here it will become 1 by sin theta minus 1 by. Here if you take cos theta common, it is 1 by sin theta plus 1. Now cos theta you can get cancelled. Reciprocal of sin theta 1 by sin theta is known as cosecant theta minus 1 by 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta plus 1. That is the answer. Cosecant theta minus 1 by cosecant theta plus 1. Right, second problem. Show that tan theta minus secant tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So let us take LHS first. LHS is tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now in this problem, in place of numerator, here in numerator 1 is there, in place of 1 we have to write secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So in place of 1 you have to substitute secant square theta minus tan square theta, and the denominator we should not disturb, you have to maintain like that only till the last step. So let us write tan theta plus secant theta. Now in place of 1 let us substitute secant square theta minus tan square theta by, write the denominator as it is, tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Now write the denominator as it is, tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now here tan theta plus secant theta is there, here also tan theta plus secant theta is there. In both the terms tan theta plus secant theta is present, so we can take common. So it is tan theta plus secant theta, you take it out. So here if you write this as outside as common, you will get 1 minus, this is taken out, so it is secant theta minus tan theta by, write the denominator as it is, tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now this is tan theta plus secant theta. Now here open the bracket, 1 minus secant theta minus into minus plus tan theta by denominator is tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now tan theta minus secant theta plus 1, numerator and denominator are having same term, so you can cancel them. Now you will get tan theta plus secant theta. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Now if you take LCM, LCM is cos theta. So numerator you write sin theta plus 1, that is the required answer. So here in this problem you have to take LHS, and in numerator 1 is there, in place of 1 you write secant square theta minus tan square theta. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Now tan theta plus secant theta is common in both. Then inside you will get 1 minus secant theta minus tan theta. If you open the bracket, it will get cancelled with the denominator. You will get secant theta plus tan theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta. After LCM, you will get the required answer. Right, question number 4. Show that one plus secant k by secant k is equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. Let us take LHS, 1 plus secant k by secant k. This secant k can be written as 1 by cos. Secant k is the reciprocal of cos, so in place of secant k you write 1 by cos a. Take LCM in the numerator, cos a is LCM, cos a into 1, cos a plus 1 by 1 by cos a. Here cos a you can cancel, you will get the answer 1 plus cos a. So when we simplify LHS, we are getting 1 plus cos a. Now you see the answer, in the answer denominator is having 1 minus cos a. So to get that answer, let us multiply and divide by 1 minus cos a. So multiplying and dividing by 1 minus cos a. Now numerator is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square by 1 minus cos a. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 minus cos square a is nothing but it is sin square a by 1 minus cos a. This is the required answer. So first you take LHS, secant a you write it as 1 by cos a. And take LCM, cos a will get cancelled, you will get 1 plus cos a. To get this required answer, denominator is having 1 minus cos a, so multiply and divide by 1 minus cos a. Now the numerator is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, denominator is 1 minus cos a. That is 1 minus cos square a is sin square a, so sin square a by 1 minus cos a, that is the required answer. Now write question number 7. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then show that sin theta is equal to P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. Here the condition given is secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. This is the condition given. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. This condition we know, this is called trigonometric identity. Now a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So secant square theta minus tan square theta can be written as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Now secant theta plus tan theta is given as p. If you substitute here, we will get p into secant theta minus tan theta is 1. Send p that side. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to, we are getting 1 by p. This is second equation. So secant theta plus tan theta, if it is p, then secant theta minus tan theta will be 1 by p. Now add these two. Let us add first equation and second equation. First equation is secant theta plus tan theta is p. Second equation is secant theta minus tan theta is 1 by p. Let us add them. Tan theta minus tan theta will get cancelled. Secant theta, if you add, it is 2 secant theta. This is p plus 1 by p. Here LCM is p into p square plus 1. This 2 you have to send this side. So we get secant theta is equal to p square plus 1 by 2p. So when we add first and second equation, we got secant theta value. Now let us subtract first and second equation. First equation is secant theta plus tan theta is p. Second equation is secant theta minus tan theta is 1 by p. Let us subtract. By subtracting, we will change the sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So this secant theta minus secant theta will get cancelled. Tan theta plus tan theta is 2 tan theta, and this is p minus 1 by p. So we will get 2 tan theta is equal to p minus 1 by p. Here LCM is p into p square minus 1, send to that side. So we will get tan theta is equal to p square minus 1 by 2p. When we add the two equations, we got secant theta value. When we subtract the two equations, we got tan theta value. Now, tan theta value you have to divide by secant theta value. Tan theta we got p square minus 1 by 2p. Secant theta we got p square plus 1 by 2p. Tan theta formula is sin theta by cos theta. Secant theta formula is 1 by cos theta. Here 2p cancel. It is p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Here cos theta also you can cancel. Now the final answer is sin theta is equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So we will continue the remaining problems tomorrow.